Hi everybody, we've got a very funny book today. This is called This Book Just Ate My Dog. Let's find out what happens. Bella was taking her dog for a walk across the page when something very odd happened. Where's he going? Bella's dog disappeared. Hello, Bella. What's up? Said Ben. This book just ate my dog. Ben decided to investigate. But Ben disappeared too. Help zoomed into sight, then vanished. Things were getting ridiculous. I'll just have to sort this out myself, thought Bella. But the book's eaten Bella as well. Sometime later, a letter appeared, and it read, "Dear reader, it would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Please turn this book on its side and shake. Love, Bella." So we need to turn this book on its side and shake and shake and shake and shake. Oh, they're coming out. Are they coming out? Oh, phew. And one last wiggle. And everybody reappeared. And things got back to normal. Well, almost. The dog's upside down. Dear reader, please tell this book to promise not to be so naughty next time. Thank you, Bella. Hope you enjoyed the book today, guys.